Hurricane Milton, as you know, hit 5 months ago, and for so many, they are reminded of the damage and the devastation day after day. In January, ABC Action News reporter Jada Williams highlighted the voice of Johara Gemma, a woman living out of her car as she waited for her FEMA claim to clear.
I was sure that the next interview would be me in another trailer. I have been in this situation October 2024, and we're in March. And I am still in the same situation. Nothing has changed.
Well, that's not the case. Jada followed through with Gemma, who is still living out of her truck and waiting to see if she can get some assistance. Plus, she has the very latest coming directly tonight from FEMA.
So this is how I'm living now.
On a cold January day, I introduced you to Johara Gemma, a woman forced to live out of her truck because Hurricane Milton destroyed her home.
Everything is still the same.
Fast forward to mid-March.
Everything is the same, yep.
Gemma is still calling her truck home and still trying to get FEMA assistance.
They said that the papers from the contractors I did not submit when I was looking at it in the website that I submitted it.
But there is one key difference between the last time I talked to her. This is what we saw when we went to her trailer then. You can see it's still there. But this is what it looks like today.
My trailer is gone now. Physically gone, which I told FEMA that was going to happen because the trailer I own, but the land is not mine. The place was completely destroyed. The landlord has to build.
Now she's worried if she'll be able to get a FEMA claim if the trailer is gone. I reached out to FEMA asking for an update to her case. They said they can't discuss individual cases, but did escalate it to case management. FEMA tells me more than 1,200 staff remain on the ground in Florida helping hurricane victims.
I feel the system has failed me.
And as she looks for a new trailer, she's experiencing something so many others are, a hefty price tag.
It's a really frustrating situation because everything is so expensive. Again, like I said, groceries are unaffordable. You can buy nothing with $100 anymore. So I don't know how I'm even gonna get another trailer. How am I gonna get anything when everything is so expensive?
Until then, this is her living arrangement, while she continues to work, save up, and wait for FEMA. Jada Williams, ABC Action News.
ABC Action News is committed to sharing your voice. If you have a story you would like us to look into, scan that QR code on your screen and fill out the form to get in touch with our reporters.